chocolate crackles. First we're going to have a look at the ingredients that we're going to need to bake chocolate crackles. 4 cups of rice bubbles, 1 cup of icing sugar, 1 cup of desiccated coconut, 3 tablespoons of cocoa, and 250 grams. Now we're going to have a look at the materials that we're going to need to bake our chocolate crackles today. We are going to need 1 patty paper tin. We're going to need a wooden spoon, a large saucepan, a large mixing bowl, and some patty papers. First, we're going to do 4 cups of rice bubbles. Now we're going to add 1 cup of icing sugar. Now we're going to add 1 cup of our desiccated coconut. And now I'm just adding 3 tablespoons of our cocoa powder. Now I've just chopped my cocoa and I'm about to put it into a saucepan and melt it down on slow heat. Don't forget to stir occasionally. Now that my cocoa is completely melted, I'm just going to keep it aside for a few minutes and just allow, whilst my cocoa is cooling, I'm just going to mix all my ingredients in together, make sure stirring everything really well. Now that my cocoa is cool, I'm just going to add it to my dry ingredients like so, making sure that you mix everything really well. Now I'm just going to align my patty tin with the patty papers like so. And now I'm just going to spoon my mixture into the patty cases. Once you've finished filling your patty cases up, it's time to put them in the fridge. And then basically leave them in the fridge until they are firm, and then it'll be time to eat. Once the chocolate crackles are set, they are ready to be eaten.